Hi, this is Kishore. Now we visited a restaurant in Shenzhen, China, and this place had a very unique live counter experience. Here, whatever you order is prepared fresh right in front of you. From selection to cooking, everything happens live, giving you a complete view of how your food is made. It's a very interactive and authentic dining experience. One of the most interesting parts was the live seafood counter, where you can see a wide variety of fresh seafood being selected and cooked instantly. We captured some amazing moments of this live setup, showing how fresh and real the process is. Overall, it was a different and exciting food experience, watching your meal come to life before it reaches your table.